Hi everyone, this is Eric Ringer for Java 2 term 1310, and this is my week 4 reflection video. This is the final week for Java 2, and let's get right into the questions. What are my thoughts of fragments? At first I didn't quite understand fragments, and I think I spent about 2 days just overthinking it, and I was trying to get, because I have my baseball app spinner, and trying to figure out how to get it to work, and I just couldn't do it, and I just had to basically yesterday kind of start over, and decided not to use the spinner and used a list view, and then that started to make things a lot easier. But I think once I, you know, well, I guess I'm starting to understand fragments, so I said once I have a full grasp of it, or probably use them more, I think I will like them a lot better and probably use them a lot in my apps. How do I feel fragments enhance apps capabilities? I think they can, especially if you know how to use them correctly. I think they can do a really good job. But here, let me get before I ask the last question. Let me show you. Let's go ahead and run my app. So, give me a second. I'll clean this. But, so yeah, I used the list view. Let's see if I can run this again. Let's see if it will. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so here is my app. Move this. So originally I had a spinner, but I changed it to a list view. So this is my, so you click on a team, and it's pretty similar to what what I did last week. So I still have my more that opens into a web view, and then when I clicked on something, sorry, um, and then it displays what team, and then I have the about, which yeah, I probably don't need this. So things I could have done differently. I probably could have got rid of this. I don't really see the purpose of it. So this is where I think fragments can enhance. Oops. And let's rotate this. Okay. So let's go ahead. We'll click on a different team, and there you go. So it basically, so it's side by side. Now you can see the buttons and everything, and I can click on any team, and it changes. You can see Royals. So to me, I think that's really cool, and possibilities of what you can do with this are not endless, but there's a lot you can do, and just the different things that you can do. It took me a long time to figure out how to do this, but I'm excited that I was able to get it working, and I think it's, oops, so you can click on the more and it will go, and then if I click back, it says the team. So that is that a really that once I was able to get this done, I thought that was really cool. All right, so let's get more into the questions. What could I have done differently? Maybe got rid of the about. I think it's that activity, that web view. Actually, I don't really think I need it. List a few things that could use more clarification. Maybe how to. I don't even know. I'm sure it's possible, but to incorporate a spinner. I'm sure it can be done. It's just I just wasn't able to figure it out. But I think with the list view, I just think it looks better. So I think I made a better choice, but I wasted a lot of time trying to figure that out. So I don't want to have this video drag too long, but let me show you. So I have my two activities. I have a baseball team detail activity, and then my baseball team detail fragment activity, and then I have my list. Wait, that's detail fragment. My list. No, I'm sorry. My baseball team list activity, and then that's my second or my main activity, and then my baseball detail activity is my second, and then I have a detail fragment and a baseball team list fragment, and then I have my layouts. I have my that's for just how I set up the frame, and then yeah, here's my one fragment, my activity baseball list, and then I created a 2-panel fragment so that way I could get the side-by-side layout, which is really cool. And then I had to create some values so that way I could get that to work with the layout for the two pan. So this got it to where it will display it side by side for landscape, and then I did another value for large, which is pretty much just the same thing. But yeah, I enjoyed this class. I learned a lot. Sorry for the brief going over my code, but I don't want this video to run too long. It's already over 6 minutes. But yeah, so I just want to say thank you. I've learned a lot. It's been a lot of hard work, but I think it will pay off in the long run. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.